The world around us is in a constant state of change. Climate change and global warming continue to reduce sea ice in the Arctic Ocean at unprecedented speeds. These environmental changes bring with them social and economic changes that also affect our daily lives. In response to these environmental changes, Weather News began a new initiative in 2008 to launch a satellite that will support not only shipping routes through the Arctic Ocean, but also monitored carbon dioxide levels in the atmosphere as well. Together with Axospace, Tokyo University, Chiba University, and our many other partners with the same dream, we are proceeding with preparations for launch in 2010. The Weather News satellite is a small cube measuring only 27 centimeters on the side. Equipped with only a camera and remote sensing laser, we are able to keep its weight to a mere 8 kilograms. By focusing the goal and limiting the functions, development cost and time were able to be minimized. It is an innovative satellite that challenges the traditional ideas of satellite technology. With the ice in the Arctic Sea continuing to recede, shipping centered on energy resource at the Arctic is on the increase. Weather News now sees the feasibility of realizing polar routing, which can be said to be a kind of transportation revolution. If we make polar routing a reality, the sailing distance and time of intercontinental voyages will be reduced considerably. This will achieve a great reduction of the amount of fuel oil consumption and subsequent impact of carbon dioxide emissions on the environment. With many years' experience supporting the shipping industry, Weather News has taken the first step towards polar routing with the establishment of our Global Ice Center to provide global ice monitoring, analysis, and forecasting. The Global Ice Center regularly monitors sea ice conditions by using satellite data and the latest maritime weather conditions. Using our original sea ice prediction model, our Ice Center can analyze and predict the thickness and extent of sea ice and assist shipping companies to optimize their berthing and sailing through icy waters. Once launched, images taken by the WNI satellite will have a 500-meter resolution. Data optimized to support vessel navigation will be provided by the Global Ice Center at frequent intervals to make sailing the Northern Sea route safe. It can also be used to support routing ships through icy seas worldwide. Global warming affects us in many ways. Climate change and rising coastal sea levels don't just affect our natural environment, but also affect the daily lives of humans living on the planet. The WNI satellite has one other important mission: to monitor carbon dioxide content in the atmosphere. Enrolling the help of business and academic institutions, laser beams from the satellite can be intercepted by small receivers on Earth. Additionally, parabolic dishes installed on vessels sailing the oceans would also catch laser beams, providing insight on the concentration of carbon dioxide in the air. By surface-based measurements of the decay of the laser beams that reach the Earth, worldwide carbon dioxide amounts and distribution can be monitored. Observing the carbon dioxide levels in the air and at sea, together with the help of our supporters, is an innovation that Weather News is the first to bring to the world. Responding to the world today and considering the world of tomorrow. Weather News continues to move forward in our preparations for the 2010 launch by building our concentration of knowledge and expertise. The WNI satellite will broaden the possible applications of our risk communication services in the near future, including the possibility of support for piracy countermeasures. Reaching into space is an expression of Weather News' continuing challenge at value creation.